ASMR, is that right? Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Tan. If you're new, in today's video we have a unit sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today they sent over this 10-inch bob, and keep in mind this is straight out the box and there's like no lumps, no clumps, no crinkles, like none of that. This unit is a 13 by 4, meaning you are going to get 13 inches going across the front and then 4 inches going straight back for the parting space. I like to consider these like full-on actual 13 by 4s versus a compact 13 by 4. And when I say a compact 13 by 4, it's when you still get your 13 inches going across the front and 4 inches going straight back, but it's usually like concentrated in the middle, and then the sides are like pretty small, like I want to say like 2 inches or so. They'll still consider that a 13 by 4, but this is a full-on 13 by 4 in my personal opinion. So therefore you are able to create, you know, a middle part, a deep side part if you want to, like whatever the case may be, you can do it with this one. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total, 1 in the back, 2 in the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with adjustable straps here in the back, and it also comes with a security band, but mine is in the box. This unit comes with a pre-cut lace, a pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. Looking at this unit close up, this is one of them ones that's literally ready to wear straight out of the box.
Finding ways to articulate the feeling I'm going through. I just can't say I don't love you, cause I love you. Yeah, it's hard for me to communicate the thoughts that I hold, but tonight I'm gonna let you know. Let me tell the truth. Baby, let me tell the truth. Yeah, you know what I'm thinking. See it in your eyes. You hate that you want me. Hate it when you cry. You're scared to be lonely, especially in the night. I'm scared that I'll miss you. Happens every time. I don't want to speak. I can't afford love. I try to find your son to pull us apart. It ain't working because I'm perfect, and I know that you're worth it. I can't walk away.
Let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons for this unit. Typically, I like to start with my cons first and then go into my pros. That way we can end on a high note towards the end of the video. But honestly, this go around, we can just scratch the cons part altogether because I have none. Now, I could be a little bit biased right now because I am somebody who really loves a cute little bob moment. But like, y'all, let's be real. The fact that this unit pretty much came ready to wear straight out of the box, like, what is there not to like about this unit? I love the fact that it came with pre-cut lace, pre-plucked hairline, and pre-bleached knots. And again, they did amazing on this particular unit. Getting other LuvMe hair units as well that are bobs, and they come out just this good as well. So this isn't just like a one-time type of thing. Like, they're getting better and better. I don't know, it might just be me. This is something very small, but I also like the fact that it came with no lumps, bumps, or crinkles within the unit as well. And granted, again, I say this is something small because a flat iron could easily be ran through the unit, but I don't know, it's just like that's like one less step that I had to take. Now, I did have to go in and adjust the side parting to my liking, but again, that's something else that I like, the fact that they gave us a full-on 13 by 4 and not a compact version, because had it been a compact version, I probably would have had a little bit of trouble trying to create the side part that I wanted to create, but nope, not with this one. Like, it just looks so good and natural to me. Aside from being able to create any type of part that I want on this unit, another reason why I like the fact that she's a 13 by 4 is I'm able to do a cute little ear tuck. Speaking of the ear tucks, I will let you guys know that I did have to go in and cut up into the lace on both sides just to make sure that the wig was like fully covering my full-on hairline. So that is one manipulation that I had to do for me personally, but again, I don't mind it. I wouldn't say that this unit is full-on big head friendly because I personally would want it just like a tad bit bigger to consider it big head friendly, but I don't know, it's sitting on my head pretty comfortably, but I still just want to throw it out there. Y'all, I really don't have too much to say about this unit except for definitely go ahead and pick her up. If you do plan on picking up this unit, feel free to use my discount code TANDOTSON. That'll save you 28% off of their entire website. And if I did the calculations right, hopefully I did. I mean, I'm not that bad at math, but I want to say it would bring the unit down to about $85. So that's under $100 for a full-on 13 by 4. And this, if I'm thinking correctly, is the 10-inch. So yeah, girl, like, that's a steal. But you guys let me know what you think and how you feel about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll make sure to have them both linked down below in the description box. I'll also make sure to have a direct link to this unit as well, along with my discount code, again, TANDOTSON, linked down in the description box as well. But yeah, I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.